I have been carrying the 704 gear Midnight Scout EDC folding pocket knife for a while now, and I'll have to say that despite its size of 8.1 inches when open, it is comfortable and easy to carry. The full-size 3.3-inch Damascus steel blade, it's not only stunning with its patterns, but also incredibly sharp and durable. It is a very versatile knife, as I can use it for my camping trips for hardware tasks, as well as spread butter on the bread. The blood sandalwood handle adds a touch of elegance and feels excellent in the hand, providing a solid and comfortable grip. No matter where I take my knife, there is always someone who has to see it. The knife's finish attracts attention due to its uniqueness, and its price is simply unbeatable. If you're looking for a blade that looks amazing, but more importantly is functional and a good size to perform different tasks, don't miss this opportunity to have it. This one will stay in my collection.